Sleep is your superpower. One of the most underrated things is good quality regular sleep. Once we have our bodies locked into the circadian rhythms of the earth, it is really, really amazing to see what unfolds with your health. So generally, I really love to get to sleep between 8:30 and 9 p.m. And having a regular sleep schedule is also important with waking up super early in the morning. That golden hour just before dawn or around dawn, it's just an absolutely amazing time to get centered and do any morning practice. Personally, that's what I find. So for me, a few non-negotiables for sleep are the surroundings. If I'm in a cluttered bedroom, there's heaps of junk around, there's lots of stuff, it disturbs my mind. My mind will be racing because there's just too much stuff, it's too much to think about. So having a really non-cluttered space for me is absolutely essential. All EMF, all Wi-Fi, all phones, all computers, all tablets, everything off. No matter what, alarms, I don't need an alarm, kookaburra, the birds, nature is my alarm. I always wake up, I know that I'm going to wake up. So I don't need to have my smartphone on to wake up. And it's super important because all these Wi-Fi routers and all this stuff, it's really dehydrating for your system, for your energy. So always having all those off. So, surrounding myself in resonant, high vibrational items. So, when we have our resonant stones, our resonant metals, our resonant essential oils, our resonant colors, shapes, all these things, it boosts our ability to regenerate. And so look at your sleep like in these 7 to 8 hours, your cells are regenerating. And when you can surround yourself in as high vibrational items as possible, your cells are going to simply regenerate twice as fast. So for me, I'll always rub some lavender oil in the soles of my feet. Soles of your feet are the largest pores in your whole body, and you soak it straight up and it goes straight into your system and relaxes your nervous system straight away. So lavender oil on the feet. I'll always wear orange or indigo pajamas. These are my resonant colors that my system and my energy resonates with. So I'll always wear those colors. Silver is my metal. I'll always have silver jewelry either on me or beside me on my bedside table. And black obsidian is a stone that resonates with me highly. So I'll either have that in my pocket or on the bedside table as well. So yeah, guys, little things to make massive differences, and really, sleep is your superpower for health and well-being. And another little one, check out a guy named Matthew Walker. He's written a book called Why We Sleep, I believe it is. But this guy's research is absolutely next level. It is so phenomenal. Matthew Walker, check him out. All right, guys, be well and take care always.